Hey there, freelancers and contractors. Are you ready to navigate the dynamic world of the gig economy like a pro? Let's dive into some valuable tips to help you thrive in this flexible and fast-paced environment. 1. Diversify your income streams. Instead of relying on a single source of income, explore multiple avenues within your skill set. This not only provides stability, but also opens up opportunities for higher earnings and skill development. 2. Create a stellar portfolio. Showcase your expertise and previous work through a professional portfolio or website. Highlighting your accomplishments and successful projects can help attract potential clients and stand out in a competitive market. 3. Set clear boundaries. Establishing boundaries around your working hours, availability, and rates is crucial for maintaining a healthy work-life balance and avoiding burnout. Clearly communicate these boundaries to clients from the outset. 4. Invest in professional development. Stay updated with industry trends and technologies by investing in continuous learning and skill enhancement. This not only enhances your marketability, but also allows you to command higher rates for your services. 5. Network. Like a pro, leverage online platforms, networking events, and industry associations to expand your professional network. Building meaningful connections with other freelancers, clients, and industry professionals can lead to new opportunities and collaborations. 6. Manage finances wisely. Keep track of your income, expenses, and taxes diligently. Set aside a portion of your earnings for taxes and emergencies, and consider working with a financial advisor or using accounting software to streamline your finances. 7. Prioritize self-care. Freelancing can be demanding, so prioritize your physical and mental well-being. Take regular breaks, engage in activities you enjoy, and seek support from peers or mentors when needed. By implementing these tips, you'll be well equipped to navigate the gig economy successfully and build a thriving freelance career. Remember, consistency, adaptability, and professionalism are key to long-term success in this ever-evolving landscape. Here's to your success as a freelancer or contractor.